Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Davies County, western Jackson County, Dubuque County, Jones County, southeastern Delaware County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Farley to near Morley, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Edworth, Farley, and Bankston around 8:05 p.m. Dubuque, Piasta, and Centralia around 8:10 p.m. Asbury, Wyoming, and Durango around 8:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include East Dubuque, Monmouth, Sageville, Menominee, Hurstville, and Fulton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern and east central Iowa. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern and east central Iowa.